Chapter 1, number 5, you're going to evaluate each expression if x is equal to -5, y equals to 6, and z is equal to 12. Okay? All right, so let's do this. Let's first combine some like terms. So we have 2x and 4x. This becomes 6x. Nothing happens to that z, and nothing happens to that 7. Where x is -5, so let's make that substitution. We have 6 parentheses -5 for where x was supposed to be, plus z, which is going to be the 8 here, then plus 7. 6 times -5, which is going to be -30, plus 8 plus 7. -30 plus 8, which is going to be -22, plus 7. We have -22 plus 7. This gets you -15. That would be your final answer here. Okay, next for B, we can distribute here to simplify it first. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3, which is 6. Then we have the plus x. 2x and x here are like terms, so together they make 3x plus 6. Once we have this simplified, we can now substitute in that value. X was -5. Then we have the plus 6. 3 times -5 is -15 plus 6. So -15 plus 6, that gets you -9. Let's look at this one here. This one there's no simplifying to do. So we just have to substitute. Y minus, okay, then the x is your -5 here. Then you have a parentheses, 10 minus 8. Close the parentheses. All right, so a lot of you are freaked out because of the negative and the negative here. Imagine this as the -1, okay? And notice how this is attached via multiplication, okay? So you have to do that multiplication first. So -1 times -5 gets you +5. Bring down that parentheses of 10 minus 8. Okay? Inside the parentheses can just become 2, 10 minus 8. Nothing happens out here. The -1 times the -5 is still +5. And then you can distribute y plus 10. Oops, I forgot y was a value here. We can, in the end, I can just substitute in that y, which was, I think, 6, right? 6. Okay, 6 plus 10, which is 16 in the end. All right, so there you go. That is how you evaluate. Notice all the final answers is one numerical value, okay? Because we want to make sure we combine all like terms when we evaluate.